Good morning students. So today we are performing our first practical of term 2, that is to determine the focal length of convex lens by plotting a graph between u and v and 1 by u and 1 by v. So this is the aim of our first experiment of term 2. The apparatus required is this optical bench from scaling from 0 to 100, 3 uprights, okay, to hold these needles and one for lens. Then we have this scale, okay. So this is the basic apparatus we required for this particular experiment. Now the first thing is to determine the focal length of this convex lens, approximate or rough focal length, by using a distance method formula. So for this we can place this lens in this lens holder and we can adjust it using this screw. This is our screen. We place this screen at point 0 on this ruler and we can drag this lens forward and backward to obtain a sharp image on this screen. Now you can see a sharp image of this window at some point, at some approximate distance of 20 from the initial point. So the rough focal length of this convex lens is 20 centimeter. Next, after determining the first rough focal length of this lens, we can find the values of u and v. We place this lens in this lens holder and we can adjust it using this screw, okay. Now from your scale, from the origin of your scale, we adjust this first needle which you can consider as your object, okay. So now if your focal length has come to be 20, so your object and lens should be positioned at double of your focal length. So if you place this at a distance of 20 from this, at a distance of 10 from 0, then our lens is placed at point 50 such that the distance between this lens and this object is 40, which is double our rough focal length. Now the length of these two needles, this is your image. This needle can be considered your image. Now the tip of these two needles should coincide with each other. For that you can adjust your needle using this screw and can see the tip of the needle through the lens such that both the tip can coincide with each other. The first most common error in this experiment is your parallax. That is, when you move your head left to right, the needles doesn't coincide with each other and move like this. It doesn't move like this, okay. So to remove this parallax error, you can shift this upright forward and backward such that your parallax error can be removed. Okay, so we have removed our parallax error and both the needles move together through this lens. Now the distance between this lens and this object needle is considered as your object distance, which is u. You can calculate it by subtracting this distance 50 from 10, that is 40. And for the image distance, it is positioned at 90.2 and it is at 50, so the distance is 40.2. U is 40 and V is your 40.2. Now you can shift this by 1, that is you can make it at 10.1, and then again the parallax error has arisen and just make it at 10.2, okay. And then you can shift, the parallax error has come, you can shift it by dragging it again and you can remove your parallax error. So now the readings will be like, this is from 9, this is at 90 and this is at 10.2. So the reading is 98.38 and this is at 90.5. So from 50 to 90.5 it is 40.5. So this object distance is at 50 minus 10.2, 39.8, and this is your image distance, which is 90.4 minus 50, which is 40.4. So your V is 40.4 and your U is 39.2. Similarly, you can take 5 to 6 readings to draw your graph. Okay students, so this is our observation table for this experiment. First, we in the first column we have taken the value of our lens, the distance of our lens at point O, which is at 50. Then in the second row we have calculated the distance of object at point A, which is 2. In our third, we have calculated the value of our image distance at point C, which is 83.5. Now your object distance U is your OA, which is 2 minus 50, that is minus 48. And keeping sign convention in mind, your U should be negative for lens. Then your image distance V is OC, that is 83.5 minus 50, which comes to be 33.5. Then we take the reciprocal of these values, that is 1 by U and 1 by V, comes to be minus 1 by 48 and 1 upon 33.5. Putting this value in our formula, that is F is equals to UV upon U minus V, the focal length of our lens came to be 19.7 centimeter. In the same manner, we have calculated 5 readings for this experiment, and in later we take the mean of these focal lengths, that is 19.7 plus 20.1 plus 20.2 plus 20.3 plus 20.4 whole over 5, and it comes to be 20.14 centimeter, which is a mean focal length or calculated focal length for this lens. Okay, our first graph, that is between U and V, comes to be a rectangular hyperbola. Okay, as you can see in the image, we have drawn a line at an angle of 45 degree from both the axes crossing this graph at point A. From point A, we draw two perpendicular on axis X and Y, that is at point C and D. Now the distance of OC is taken as U and distance of OD is taken as V, that is image distance. Now since your U and V came to be same, so U is equals to V comes to be equals to 2F, and then your F can be calculated by dividing U or V by 2, which comes to be 20.14 centimeter. For the next graph, which we drawn between 1 by U and 1 by V, it's a straight line cutting x-axis and y-axis at equal intercepts at point C and D. Now on x-axis we have 1 by U and on y-axis we have 1 by V. So on calculating 1 by U, your 1 by V is equals to 0 as it lies on x-axis. So 1 by V is 0 and 1 by U is equals to this value. So your 1 by F calculated to be 20 point something, and similarly for y-axis 1 by V is this and 1 by U comes to be 0. So 1 by F is equals to 1 by V and value comes to be 20 point something. So this is how you have to draw both the graphs for your respective readings. So the results will be your focal length of a given convex lens determined by UV graph is this centimeter, from 1 by U and 1 by V graph is 20 point this centimeter, and from calculation it comes to be 20.14 centimeter. So these are the three results calculated from one from theory, other two from your graphs. Okay, so this is your final results.